100. General knowledge. Questions and answers. What is the world's most popular green vegetable? Answer. Lettuce. What does a raccoon do before eating its food? Answer. Washes it in water. What other name is used for the snow leopard? Answer. Ounce. Who invented the first safety razor in 1895? Answer. King Cap Gillette. A spunder or drift is the name for a group of what animals? Answer. Swine. What did table tennis balls used to be made from? Answer. Cork. In 1969, what category was added to the Nobel Prize? Answer. Economics. In the human body, where is your occipital bone? Answer. Back of head. Which actor was dubbed the Muscles from Brussels? Answer. Jean-Claude Van Damme. Which film star was the first to appear on a postage stamp? Answer. Grace Kelly. What would you expect to find in a binocle ships? Answer. Compass. Which Hollywood star has made the cover of Life most times? Answer. Elizabeth Taylor. Which Mediterranean country's orchestra is bigger than its army? Answer. Monaco. What links stage tales, pickled worms, gallstones, tomatoes once thought to be? Answer. Aphrodisiacs. Baked beans were originally served in what sauce trickle? Answer. Molasses. Where can you buy a copy of Penguin News? Answer. Falkland Islands. Which African country was founded by Americans? Answer. Liberia. What was Britain called before it was Britain? Answer. Albion. What part of a frog do you rub to hypnotize it? Its answer. Belly. What is involved in 20% of car accidents in Sweden? Answer. A moose. What was the first country to guarantee freedom of worship? Answer. Transylvania. Which famous person invented the cat flap? Answer. Isaac Newton. What country's people had the longest life expectation? Answer. Iceland. What country did Italy invade in 1935? Answer. Ethiopia. What is produced in a ginnery? Answer. Cotton. What was made illegal in England in 1439? Answer. Kissing. What was invented by Dr. Albert Southwick in 1881? Answer. Electric chair. In which country are you most likely to die from a scorpion sting? Answer. Mexico. 1,000 people a year. Who sold the most albums on a single day? Answer. Elvis Presley. What was the last item shown on British TV before WW2? Answer. Mickey Mouse. Does the entire economy of the island of Nauru depend on bird shit? Answer. Guano fertilizer. Oedipus was named after what literal translation? Answer. Swollen feet. What fish can hold objects in its tail? Answer. Seahorse. Which country grows the most potatoes? Answer. Russia. Which country was the first to abolish capital punishment? 1826. Answer. Russia. Tsar Nicholas. Siberia. The concept of electoral ergonomics was created by to understand psychology of voters. Answer. Michael Bruter and Sarah. Which country owns the Hen and Chicken Islands? Answer. Northern New Zealand. Who appeared on the first US postage stamps? Answer. Washington and Franklin. The guillotine was invented for chopping of what? Answer. Hands. What did Spanish scientists fed to cows to increase milk yield. Answer. False teeth. Atelophobia is a fear of what? Answer. Imperfection. Nickel was the first type of what product? Answer. Detergent. What do ambrophobes fear? Answer. Rain. Saponification is the process that makes what common product? Answer. Soap. Detective Philip Marlowe smokes what brand? Answer. Camels. Fidelity, bravery, integrity is which organization's motto? Answer. FBI. What is the world's most widely used vegetable? Answer. Onion. What was Walt Disney's middle name? Answer. Elias. What animal was believed to be a cross? Camel and leopard. Answer. Giraffe. An elephant has 400,000 what in its trunk? Answer. Muscles. What male human feature was taxed in Elizabethan times? Answer. Beards. From which country does spinach originate? Answer. Iran. In what country does the cow tree grow? Sap looks, tastes, milk. Answer. Venezuela. The bald eagle is America's bird. What is Britain's? Answer. Robin. Australian Clement Raggi instituted what naming? Answer. Hurricanes. What does ZIP stand for in the American zip code? Answer. Zone Improvement Plan. What wood is plywood mostly made from? Answer. Birch tree. In which sport are left-handed people banned from playing? Answer. Polo. What food was invented in a sanatorium in 1890? Answer. Kellogg's Corn Flakes. What animal produces its own suntan lotion? Answer. Hippopotamus. What was the name of Isaac Newton's dog caused fire in lab? Answer. Diamond. What is the world's tallest grass? Answer. Bamboo. Juglans regia is the real name of what type of nut tree? Answer. Walnut. Which acid was first prepared from distilled red ants? Answer. Formic acid. Which European city was the bride of the sea? Answer. Venice. Which Dickens novel is considered an autobiography? Answer. David Copperfield. Dendrologists worship what? Answer. Trees. What is the national sport of Finland? Answer. Motor rallying. Eiffel designed the Eiffel Tower. What was his first name? Answer. Gustav. The Salk vaccine is used against what disease? Answer. Polio. If you are born between June 23rd and July 23rd, what star sign? Answer. Cancer. An alloy of iron, chromium, and nickel makes what? Answer. Stainless steel. Which country first used the fountain pen? Answer. Egypt. The Kohinoor is a famous diamond. What does the name mean? Answer. Mountain of Light. What was Britain's first colony annexed in 1583? Answer. Newfoundland. What element is present in all organic compounds? Answer. Carbon. Who was known as the Little Brown Saint? Answer. Gandhi. Who rode a horse called Marengo Napoleon at? Answer. Waterloo. A skulk is a group of which animals? Answer. Foxes. Who was the first actor to appear on cover of Time magazine? Answer. Charlie Chaplin. What does a pluviometer measure? Answer. Rainfall. What was Walt Disney's first cartoon character? Answer. Oswald the Rabbit. Which film star used to be a circus acrobat? Answer. Burt Lancaster. The Kama bacillus causes what disease? Answer. Cholera. What is the main ingredient in borsch? Answer. Beetroot. Laika was the first ever dog into. Answer. Space. What is biltong? Answer. Dried meat. What type of fish is scombros? Answer. Mackerel. What are brick, fontina, port salut, cordial? Answer. Type of cheese. In which country did the turnip originate? Answer. Greece. Which animals can live longest without water? Answer. Rats. Which fruit contains the most fat? Answer. Avocado. What medication discovered in 1928 but introduced in 1940? Answer. Penicillin. Who tells the story in the Arabian Nights? Answer. Scheherazade. What American state is the Badger State? Answer. Wisconsin. Chaplin ate a boot in the gold rush. What was it made of? Answer. Licorice. The Lent lily has a more common name. What? Answer. Daffodil. Whose last words were Crito, I vow, a cock to Asclepius? Answer. Socrates. What is the longest river of France? Answer. Loire. In which month is the Munich Beer Festival held? Answer. October.